Hello and welcome to Confessions of a Refashionista. I'm Refashionista Sherry, and I know I am a wee bit late to the Instagram Reels party, but I have finally started creating some Reels, and I thought I would share them with you today. And if you're not already following me on Instagram, of course, head on over and follow Refashionista Sherry. And let me know what kind of reels you would like me to do. More little short tutorials, more fashiony. And enjoy my little, first reels.
This is Confessions of a Refashionista.
Hello, I'm Refashionista Sherry, and I believe that everyone can create their own ethical, sustainable, affordable style, because being eco-friendly shouldn't cost the earth. My biggest tip to get started refashioning and upcycling is to just go for it. Grab a garment that you really don't care about anymore, scissors, bleach, dye, needle and thread paint, whatever you have, and just go for it. Seriously, use what you already have on hand. I made this out of an old skirt and bath puffs. And who cares if you can't sew? Chopped up tees are awesome, and a frumpy dress cut in half makes a cool top. Distress your jeans with a scissors and bleach, and then create some awesome accessories for yourself from the chopped hems. Embellish boring items with scarves and fabric scraps. Upsize tight garments with side panels. La la! Add anything you want to create your own unique style. Make an adorable dress out of a man's shirt and bed sheets. Don't be afraid to paint your shoes. A fur hat easily transforms into a funky purse. For more upcycling tips and tricks, check me out at Refashionista Sherry. And for all of my step-by-step upcycling and refashioning tutorials, visit refashionistasherry.com. Mwah! As always, feel free to head on over to refashionistasherry.com, where you will find all of my hundreds of free tips, tricks, and tutorials for upcycling just about anything you can think of, as well as loads of pre-loved style inspiration too. And yeah, again, Instagram, Refashionista Sherry. And like I said, please do let me know what kind of content you would love to see me creating more of. And until next time, stay safe, stay well, and I'll catch ya on the zigzag. Oh, wait, by the way, if you would love to know how this amazing Berlin map photo wall was created, I shall put the link for that down below for you.